Hi everyone, we're back with the Guinea Pig Fortuner right here, and we partnered up with 70my. They have provided us with the 70my M500 dashcam, a very advanced dashcam with built-in memory. You can choose between 32, 64, and 128 gig. Also, it comes with ADAS features, so if your car doesn't come with forward collision warning and lane departure warning, this one has those and more. Plus, you also can get this hardwire kit giving you 24 hours of parking surveillance, and it even has GPS right here. Now, it can also be paired up with the 70my TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. That way, if your car is rather basic and also doesn't come with TPMS, well, now you can have it. This is available in Shopee and Lazada, which links I will put down below and you can go check them out. But for today, I'm going to show you the full installation process that they do if you are within Metro Manila, and I will also review and show you the features of the 70my M500 dashcam. So now they've installed the dash cam, and it was as simple as putting that sheet of plastic right there on the windshield, putting that holder, and sliding the dash cam in. Now this is all well and good and rather simple, but if you want parking surveillance, they would have to do a hardwire installation into your fuse box. And now for the hardwire kit installation, they do have to remove the trims on the side of your A-pillars and also the rubber and weather strips all over there. But don't worry, because 70my does provide these installations. Remember, as long as you are inside Metro Manila. So this is the 70my M500 dashcam, and I really love how sleek it is, and it looks very premium looking. I mean, the good thing about this too, because of its sleek design, you can easily mount it and hide it behind your rear view mirror, giving you the OEM look inside your cabin. The other things I really love about this dashcam includes its features with 1944p resolution. What is 1944p? Well, it is 2.5 times bigger than 1080p full HD. So you're gonna ask me, why exactly do we need a dashcam with a high resolution? Its only purpose is to record accidents and all of that. Well, picture this. A motorcycle hits you, or a car, and especially for motorcycles with small license plate numbers, if they're going pretty fast or if they got pretty far ahead of you, you need to zoom in on their license plates, and a higher resolution will always allow you to do that, more so than a lower resolution dashcam. Next up, this dashcam right here, the M500, also gets advanced driver assistance systems. It is built into the cam itself, so you get lane departure warning, moving traffic detection, and even forward collision warning. So if your car is a rather basic car, or if you got the base model or an older car, well, now you have ADAS features in your car. Now, I know you know what lane departure warning is and forward collision warning, but what is moving traffic detection? If you are seated at a stoplight and the light turns green, but don't do this, but let's say you are on your phone, you don't notice that the car ahead of you has already moved forward. Well, the 70my M500 will notify you that the car ahead has moved. Also, the 70my M500 comes with a 170-degree field of view, allowing you to see all across the front of your car. Now, it does give you some sort of a fisheye effect, but I mean, I don't mind. I'd rather see more than see less. The camera also has an aperture of f2.0, so for the photographers and videographers out there, you know that f2 is always a good number. That is a very wide aperture. Also, this camera does come with a built-in memory card. So most dash cams you get out there, you have to buy a separate memory card, and this is a hassle to like transfer and all that. But for this one, you can get it with a 32, 64, and 128 gig memory built inside. And if you want to transfer your videos, you don't have to go through the fuss of doing everything with your memory cards. You simply can do it over Wi-Fi to your phone on the 70my app. You have a 24-hour parking surveillance system. So the way they do this is that they would actually have a hardwire kit, which is sold separately, and they will wire it towards the fuse box or the battery area of the car. That way it can monitor and surveil your car while it's parked, even overnight. But also, don't worry about it draining your battery, because it has a smart system into it, where if it detects that your battery is getting a little bit too low enough for you not to be able to start your car and all that, it will stop doing it. Additionally, the 70my M500 also comes with GPS capabilities, so it's going to show your latitude and longitude, all of that inside your video, overlaid over there to tell you the exact position where you are in. Some more features include a time-lapse recording, and the cool thing about this is that, you know, time-lapse recording is always really long. Well, it takes every 30 minutes of footage and compresses it into like a sped-up version in 1 minute. That way you can view everything really quickly without having to sit through hours and hours of content. And you also get TPMS capabilities, which I showed earlier during the installation. One thing about that TPMS though is that once it detects that you have a low tire pressure, it will keep telling you to please check your tire pressure. It can't be muted. However, the good part about it is that you will never ever forget. And also, you can change the threshold for when the alarm would start. Okay, what about the dust protection and the waterproofing protection? Well, don't worry, because the 70mi M500 also comes with IP6K 6K. This is both dust and water resistant. So why would you need that in your car? If you go off-roading a lot and your interior gets wet, or for some reason you accidentally spilled water onto your windscreen where your dash cam is, well, it can protect itself from that as well. And it can also withstand a temperature of up to 80 degrees Celsius. Now let's do a quick sound check of the 70mi M500 dash cam. I'm currently speaking from the driver's seat of the Toyota Fortuner, which is about half a meter or a little bit less from the dash cam mounted on the windshield. And now, despite not having that much street lights on this street, the 70mi M500 dashcam still proves to be very clear even at nighttime. Its night vision mode is still more than enough for our rather dark Manila streets. So now, just to demonstrate it, I'll turn off my fog lights and my headlights, and it's that dark, headlights on and headlights at high beam. Overall, I am very impressed with the 70mi M500 dashcam. It provides excellent video quality in both day and night situations, and its expanded advanced driver assistance systems and TPMS transforms your regular car into a seemingly tech-filled top-of-the-line spec model. The lack of a built-in memory card gives peak convenience and ease of use, while its 24-hour surveillance function ensures peace of mind anytime you are with or without your vehicle. So get your very own 70mi M500 dashcam now and upgrade your car driving experience. I'll put the Shopee and Lazada links down below in the description.